Hi, good morning. I am Tarun Dacha from Orange Fix. I'm the co-founder of Orange Fix, Baking Made Easy. We want children to learn baking and enjoy baking. So we make everything possible for them to be easy and fun. So that's what we are doing it. We have 12 recipes, we developed recipes. We have a magic box with a recipe in that. It makes easy, simple and fun for child to learn. We want children to be developed wholesomely all around. It's just not academics but all around. So that's, and baking being one of the easiest and most fun loving stress buster. So that's what we are trying to do. We have a workshop out here and where we do with the children. We do both online and offline. We have a studio in Jubilee Hills where we have a team of chefs who will support you and help you in every query. So we give you the best of ingredients and simplest of methods to do greatest of the products. That's what we are wanting to do. We want every child and every person to enjoy baking and have fun. That's what we are here for. And look forward for everybody to join us with us. Great. Thank you.